Hey guys, this is Hafiz and today I'm going to show you a very weird breakdown. So, as you can see, my trailer glad handles where we connect the red and blue air hose, they both break at the same time in a very weird way. So, I'm not able to connect any of my airlines, so basically I'm broke and I need a road call or road service. So I had a couple spare tires on the back of the truck between truck and trailer. So I had to make a very tight turn, and while I was doing that, it put too much stress on the airlines, and it broke both glad handles. So I have no idea what to do at this moment. So I'm going to think over it. I'm at the truck stop, and I don't want to call the road service. I want to do it myself. So let's see how I'm going to fix this. And I'm just noticing I have a couple bolts on the side of the gland handle and the hose at the bottom, which we can easily open with the adjustable wrench. So I'm going to open that and going to check in my truck if I have any way to move this truck to the repair shop. All right, so I found these airlines in my truck, and they have the glad handles with them. So I'm thinking if I can take that glad handle out of that airline and connect it to this airline, and that way I can have air flowing through the brakes, and I can move and I can go to the nearest repair shop to get a proper fix. Alright, so I have the airline disconnected and I'm going to take out that fitting and try to use it on the glad handle I have. As you can see, I disconnected the airline and also the glad handle, and the fitting I have is not right for this glad handle, so I need a little bit big fitting. So this glad handle is not good and the fitting is not good, so I have to find an alternative way. So I'm going to go inside the truck stop and see if I find something. So I am inside the truck stop and
Customer
looking at
31.
the air hose
Your shower
or
is
any
ready.
option
Please
which I can
proceed to
use
shower 2.
to fix my trailer. And as you can see, these handles for the airlines, I'm just checking if I can use them as help, or I can disconnect those bolts or something, so I'm gonna keep looking for options. And I see some glad handles. It's the same glad handles I had, so they're not gonna work. I need a fitting which at the truck stop I don't see. And as you can see, this airline, uh, I'm trying to match it and see if I can use this airline or this air hose or any fitting. Yeah, I don't care if I have to buy any part at this moment because I want to get it fixed and keep moving. So all these airlines and everything, I'm observing and trying to match it with the glad handle I have. Alright, so I'm at the Love's Tire Shop and I asked the guy if he can help me out with the fitting or the glad handle. Luckily, they have the glad handles and it's not expensive, only 30 bucks or so, and I'm excited. So I just got the glad handles and I am going to fix my airlines. And as you know, it's so easy. I'm going to show you. So it's just two bolts that you need to open and put the new glad handle. If you don't want to watch through the video, you can fast forward all the way to the end of the video. Alright, so as you can see that both airlines are connected and they are done right, so I don't need to go to the shop, and I can connect my airlines and check the air leak if there's any kind of air leak or something going on with the glad handle. So I just released the air pressure and going to check if there's any kind of leak after the repair. So there's no leak, we all set and we can pack up. It just took me 15 to 30 minutes to do the actual repair, but 1 hour to figure out. Please subscribe the channel and have a nice day.